I'll second that. I like the shit when you trotted out that witness story during the debate.
What about the fucking last-minute flyers who made the song doing a tango on the courthouse steps?
Parker, who was behind that?
I didn't see no Royce Authority line.
Well, Tommy, enough of the bullshit. What the hell are we waiting for? Bring your ass around here. Try out the big chair. Come on. Come on around here.
I'm not even